These days I don't even question self. I have made fixated statements. I'm finding it so difficult to rewire, right? So it's like it's a process. The rewiring of the mindset, it takes a lot of energy, specifically if you are in a very low state. It takes a lot of energy, it takes a lot of effort, but then again, consistency is key over here. There's nothing which is impossible, right? So like your highest self, you are already healed. There's nothing more to be done. सो गॉड स्टेट में जब आप गॉड अवेयरनेस में रहते हैं तो आपको ये पता है कि आप यहाँ पे केवल एक एक्सपीरियंस लेने आए हैं. यू आर हियर प्लेइंग दिस कैरेक्टर, आई एम हियर प्लेइंग दिस कैरेक्टर ऑफ तनुप्रिया, बट आई एम नथिंग like this. I don't look like this. I'm not this, right? I'm not just this. I'm much more, right? So जब आप अपने high states of awareness में रहते हैं, आपको पता है कि ये जो भी मेरे सामने है, I can easily move through it. I can go through it. I can cut through it like a hot knife through butter. If you have ever had that, how a hot knife cuts through butter with so much of ease. You know, because that hot knife is the knife of awareness, conscious awareness that you hold. You are not this body. You are not this mind. You are not this feeling, this bundle of emotion. You are not this bundle of desire that you have. Okay, so there is something which is beyond you, which is watching all of this. Right? So when you come to that, when you bring yourself to that, you automatically easy for you to catch yourself. Right? Before that, it is of course difficult. Everything is difficult. Human experience is very difficult, है ना? But the inquiry here today must be कि if it was so difficult, अगर इतना ही मुश्किल था, इतना ही कठिन था, तो मैंने ये इसका चयन ही क्यों किया? Why did I choose this human experience? There must be a reason for me to choose this human experience and to come into this human body, right?